Go to sleep and let your eyelids close. 'Cause your dark don't start a pining. Well, you're a cloud with a silver lining. Though every old crow thinks his baby's white as snow, your dear old mammy knows that you're mighty like a rose. Oh! Oh! Talking, honey child. One southern fried worm coming right up.
One cup of flour, I love ladies, a pinch of salt, an ounce of sugar, oh well, and one egg, oh beautiful egg.
My mammy, the minute I looked at you, mammy, you got a kind, loving look in your eye, mammy. When do we eat, huh? When do we eat?
Ain't that touching? The kid thinks I'm his mother. It kind of gets you here. Too bad I'm so fond of, chicken.
Is we horses, mammy? Or is we hyenas? Why do hyenas laugh, huh, mammy? Do monkeys laugh? Is we monkeys, mammy?
Laws and no, honey child. We all is weasels, we all is. Look a here in this here mirror.
Little cuss, ain't I, mammy? Let's play catch.
Now listen, kid. Cut out the bunk.
Now, Junior, I knows a better game. Hide and go seek.
Okay, mammy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 80, 85, 90, 100.
Boy, you little...
I'm tired of playing hide-and-go-seek, mammy. Aren't you tired of playing hide-and-go-seek? I'll tell you what let's do. Let's play tag. Tag, you're it.
Tag?
Why, sure enough, honey child. Tag is sure satisfying fun. Tag, you's it. Yeah, you all is.
What's the matter, mammy? Can't you catch me, mammy? Huh, mammy? Oh, mammy. Is you all got the miseries, huh, mammy? Here, mammy. Sprinkle this here salt on my tail. That'll catch me, sure enough. So discombobulated, huh? Why do it, huh? Here, take a good sniff of this here smell of salt. Come on, Mammy. Smell hard. Don't fret yourself, Mammy. I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
To spoon victuals for my little black rosebud. And I'm served, my little...
Mammy, Mammy, my own genuine, really, Mammy. Oh, is I glad to see you. That old weasel, he come and took me away, Mammy, and he was gonna eat me up, Mammy. Gonna eat me up all in a stew. But I fooled him, Mammy. I fooled him good. Because I knowed he wasn't my really Mammy all the time, Mammy. And I beat him all up, and I busted him all down, Mammy.
Hush your mouth, child. Telling such big lies.
But, Mammy, I'm telling you the truth, Mammy.
He ain't just whistling Dixie, Mommy.